it is, the secret library. Access through that hidden passageway from the lounge below. And the moment you step inside, you understand immediately why this room was worth hiding. This is a double-height private library, and every single detail in it was built to honor one thing: knowledge. Floor-to-ceiling arched bookshelves line both walls, every shelf packed with leather-bound volumes, backlit with warm amber lighting that makes each row glow like gold. Below the shelves, cream panel cabinetry with green onyx marble ledges and brass gold hardware drawers, built-in storage for manuscripts, documents, and private collections. The balustrade railing running the full perimeter of this upper level, solid green onyx marble, the same rare stone that runs through the entire estate. At the far end, a dedicated reading alcove framed in a full green onyx arch, with framed architectural drawings hung inside, a space within a space. And above, a glass skylight panel opened directly to the night sky, with an antique brass lantern chandelier hanging from the center. During the day, natural light pours straight down through that skylight onto the books below. This room breathes. Now I want to talk about something beyond the architecture for a moment. Because a library in a home says something specific about the person who owns it, think about it. If you are purchasing a $170 million home, you didn't get there by accident. You got there through decisions, through strategy, through understanding things that most people never took the time to learn. Warren Buffett reads 5 to 6 hours every single day. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. Elon Musk has said that books essentially raised him. The wealthiest, most influential people on earth share one habit above almost any other. They read. A library in a private home isn't decoration, it's a declaration. It says, knowledge built this, and knowledge will protect it. This room is the most important room in this estate. Not the most expensive, the most important. Now let's go where the owner ends every day. The primary bedroom and ensuite occupying nearly half of the entire second floor of this estate. Let's take a look.